We're going to do a brief video about Swing Trading Forex, and stick with me to the very end when I'll show you how to get these swing trading prices for free at RBAMResearch.com. This page in front of us is logged in on RBAMResearch.com. This is put up every day and it shows you the various swing trade entry prices. You can use these for a variety of things, and one of them is swing trading. If you take a look at the left side of the page, you'll see the ticker symbols. We have stocks here. In a moment we're going to get to the Forex. We have the holding periods, 1 day, 2 day, 5 day, 10 and 20 day holding periods. That basically means if you were to buy today at, let's see here, if you were to buy today here at gold futures at 1824, you'd close it out at the end of tomorrow, so you'd hold it 1 day. Same thing here, if you bought at 1841, you close it out at the end of the second day. Worst case, 5 days, 10 days, 20 days, again, worst case. So basically, you could buy at 1824. If you took a profit, you take it as soon as you get it. If you do not get a profit, you close it out regardless by the end of the first day. So buy today, close 24 hours later. And those are trading days, not calendar days. So let's take a look down here at the Forex. This is cash Forex, which is basic intraday markets, not the futures, but the cash. And we cover the major pairs. Same thing, we have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 day hold periods. In general, the longer you hold it for, the higher your average profit will be. So if you wanted to swing a 2-day trade or a 5-day trade, you'd make a little bit more money theoretically if you held it longer. That's not always the case, but in general, that's the case with the way these algorithms are developed. All of these prices that you see on here, these entry prices, come from RBAMResearch.com trading algorithms. They're generated every day before 7 a.m. and you can get them for free. We'll tell you how to do that in a minute. So if you wanted to get in here and do a swing trade on the euro dollar pair today, and these are good for each day only, they expire at the end of the trading day, you could do a 1 day hold, meaning swing it for 1 day if the price hit 1.06. And the same thing if you were willing to hold it for 2 days, 5 days, 10 days, 20 days, and so forth. Now you'll notice in this particular column those prices are all the same. In some of these columns they change, some they don't. Just depends. You can see down here the Aussie versus the US dollar, they change a little bit. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. So the strategy would be you follow this as a reference point. You buy if it gets to that reference point, assuming your own research and your own independent analysis validates that's a good idea. You never use these as a sole means of entry, but you take a look at that. If you liked it, you buy, take a profit if you get a good rally, and regardless, you close out at the end of 1 day. So that would be buy today, close tomorrow, or the next trading day, and so forth down the line for the rest of these. As you can see, we cover the major currency pairs. Again, these are the interbank market, the cash Forex, and the Aussies, the pound, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, and then the New Zealand against the dollar. We cover every day buys or shorts. There won't be both, be one or the other for each instrument. If you want to get these every morning by 7 a.m., you can do that at RBAMResearch.com for free, no credit card required. Keep in mind that everything you see here is for entertainment purposes only. You definitely trade at your own risk. Again, we cover at RBAMResearch.com 190 plus stocks, the major Forex pairs that I just showed you, crypto, and the major futures contracts, the most liquid ones. Again, RBAMResearch.com, prices updated Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to, please subscribe. And again, for entertainment purposes only, you trade at your own risk.